Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using elements from the April Paper Pumpkin Kit called Lakeside Retreat. I've got a basic white card base. I've cut down one of the card fronts to 5 1/4 by 4. This is one of the pieces from the kit. And then I used the Spotlight on Nature dies because this one here has the lines around the edge just like this one. And I was going to do that, but didn't like it. So changed gears and we're going to do this instead. And then I took the kind of boardwalk one and I stamped Happy Birthday on it. And this is from the Delightful Wishes set. And it says, the stamp actually says you happy birthday because you can die cut the wishing out. So I just inked up the happy birthday here. And I'm layering it up on the back of one of the greeting tabs. Just a little bit, just to kind of separate it a little bit. So what we're going to do is we are going to build this card. So let me grab some adhesive. And I'll just lay this flat mounted, so no dimensionals on this piece. And we're just going to pop it down like this. There we go. And then this I'm going to flat mount as well. And we're just going to go ahead and just keep building this card. There we go. Now I want to put this down at the bottom here like this, and the bike will kind of sit over top like it's here on the sand, but it's going to come down just a little bit. So I am going to adhere this to this piece, and this super narrow margins on this. I'm just going to pop that down. And I am going to adhere it. And I did trim the one end off just a little bit. So this is going to sit right under here like that. It's just a little bit longer, but it's not a lot that it notices. And we're going to flat mount this like that. And I had to debate about whether or not, and I think I am going to dimensionalize this piece. So I'll just grab some dimensionals. And I apologize for my voice. Spending 2 weeks with 50 other people on a bus seems to have resulted in a bit of a cold. So feeling just a little bit under the weather today. So I'm going to line this up so the horizons match. It's a duplicate here, but I want this in the center. So there we go. And I used Misty Moonlight, and I stamped the birds from the set up in the sky. So I also want to dimensionalize the bike, but I only need to dimensionalize the back tire and the bottom of the front tire like that. And then I'm just going to put adhesive on the top because it's going to sit over top of the piece I've already dimensionalized. So we're just going to pop this down. And it's going to sit like that. Okay. I'm going to use, I was debating about whether I was going to use the natural matte dots on this or if I was going to use the little stones from the set. And I think I'm going to use the little stones from the set. So I'm just going to grab my palette piece here and see if I can pick these up. So I'm going to put one down there like that. I'm going to choose one of the smaller ones. And I'm going to just pop it down if I can get it working. Come on, sunshine. Okay, that's not working. There we go. And I want it up here like this. There we go. Excuse me. And I'm going to pop another one just up here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it at that. But that is our card using elements from the April 2026 Paper Pumpkin kit called Lakeside Retreat. So stay tuned. I do have some more alternate card ideas coming up over the next couple of days.